Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Mna, Wena, Bona.
Oh, we're learning how to say I, he, she. We're learning about pronouns. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
So, the pronoun for you is Wena.
Wena!
And the pronoun for I is Mna.
Thina!
The pronoun for she is Yena.
Yena!
And the pronoun for he is also Yena.
Yena!
The pronoun for they is Bona.
Bona!
And the pronoun for we is Thina.
Thina!
Now let's use these pronouns in sentences. Abuti, how do you say I speak?
Mna ndiyathetha. Blah 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 blah.
Now how do you say he speaks?
Yena uyathetha.
Blah 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 blah.
And how do you say she speaks?
Yena uyathetha.
Blah 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 blah.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Yena is the pronoun for he and she. And Wena is the pronoun for you. But we can also use the word u for he, she, and you. Are you confused? Let me explain some more. What is the pronoun for you?
Wena!
That's right, Wena. And Abuti, how do we say you speak in isiXhosa?
Uyathetha.
That's right, or Wena, uyathetha. But we can take away this Wena and just say uyathetha. And the same thing happens with he speaks and she speaks. We can say Yena uyathetha, or we can just say uyathetha. Now how do you say you speak?
Wena uyathetha.
Blah 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 blah.
They speak.
Bona bayathetha. We
speak.
Thina siyathetha.
Blah 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 blah.
And now you can use these pronouns in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Blah 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 blah.